Hello, Jason Jarstifer here. I wanted to reach out to you because this is oftentimes a time of year when many people start kicking around the idea of selling their home and getting their home ready and prepped to sell. I'm not sure if this is for you, but if you are open-minded to the idea of selling within the next 6 months or so, we'd love the opportunity to come out and meet with you, see the home, and chat with you about your real estate goals and timelines. During our meeting, we'll talk with you about our proven home selling process, and we'll do our best to answer any and all questions that you may have about the process. We'll also discuss with you one of the most common questions we hear from folks that are getting ready to sell which is, what repairs and upgrades should I do to get the best return on my money, and which ones should I avoid? Now, I've been helping sellers prep their home to sell for just shy of 2 decades, and from my experience, I can say with absolute certainty that the earlier on in the process you get an expert out there to guide you through this process, the better off you'll be, as it does take some time to get your home ready for the market. Finally, while there, we will work up a detailed home valuation for you so you'll know your current equity position, and we'll provide you with a projected estimated net to seller so you'll know pretty darn close what to expect from the sale after it's all said and done. So if you're ready to take the first step to getting your home ready to sell with confidence, give us a call at 270-982-2400 or visit us on our website at bluegrassrealtypros.com. We look forward to speaking with you.